To find the Zelle mobile app, start by checking your device's App Store. If you have an iPhone, open the App Store, and if you have an Android device, open Google Play Store. Once you are in the App Store, use the search bar to look for Zelle. Type in Zelle and select the Zelle app from the search results. The Zelle app is a free download, so you can install it on your device without any cost. If you are having trouble finding the Zelle app in the App Store, you can also check the Zelle website for a direct link to download the app. The website will provide you with a link to the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Alternatively, you can also ask your bank or credit union if they offer Zelle as a part of their mobile banking app. Many banks and credit unions have integrated Zelle into their mobile banking apps, so you may be able to access Zelle directly through your bank's app. When downloading the Zelle app, make sure to only download it from a trusted source, such as the App Store or Google Play Store, to ensure that you are getting a legitimate and secure version of the app. Once you have downloaded the Zelle app, you can start using it to send and receive money with friends and family. The app is easy to use and provides a convenient way to make payments and transfers. It is also important to note that Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service, which means that it allows you to send and receive money directly between bank accounts. This makes it a fast and secure way to make payments and transfers, as the money is transferred directly from one bank account to another. In conclusion, finding the Zelle mobile app is a straightforward process that can be done by checking your device's App Store or visiting the Zelle website. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily download and start using the Zelle app to send and receive money with friends and family.